I'm going to tell you something that might be hard to hear, but you need to hear it. Every day, without realizing it, you're slowly destroying your brain. Not with alcohol or drugs, but with the way you live, think, and consume. Your brain was designed for focus, curiosity, and creativity. But now it's drowning in noise, dopamine, and distraction. You wake up and check your phone before you even check in with yourself. You scroll, you swipe, you chase stimulation. Your brain becomes addicted to easy pleasure and loses its taste for deep thought. And when that happens, your motivation dies quietly. You start feeling tired even after doing nothing. You can't focus for more than 10 seconds. You forget simple things, names, ideas, even why you started. It's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is overloaded. Constant notifications, constant opinions, constant pressure to compare. You're not living, you're reacting. You're not creating, you're consuming. And every tap, every scroll, every unnecessary video trains your brain to crave the shallow. That's why reading feels boring now. That's why silence feels uncomfortable. That's why your mind feels like a messy room you can't clean up. But here's the good news, your brain is not broken. It's adaptable, flexible, and hungry for renewal. If you give it the right conditions, it can heal faster than you think. So let's rebuild it, step by step. First, stop feeding it garbage. What you consume shapes who you become. Choose content that challenges you, not content that numbs you. Watch things that make you think, not just things that make you laugh. Read something every day, even for 10 minutes. Because reading trains your brain to hold one thought longer. Second, rest is not laziness, it's maintenance. Your brain cleans itself when you sleep. Cut the midnight scrolling. Go to bed earlier than the algorithm wants you to. Third, move your body. Physical movement stimulates mental clarity. Even a 10-minute walk can reset your mind. Fourth, protect your attention like your life depends on it, because it does. Silence notifications. Put your phone in another room while you work. Let boredom return. Because boredom is the birthplace of creativity. Fifth, stop multitasking. It feels productive, but it's brain poison. Do one thing, with full presence, and finish it. That's how you rebuild focus. Sixth, practice gratitude and reflection. Each night, ask yourself, what did I learn today? You'll be surprised how your brain starts remembering again. And seventh, reconnect with real humans. Conversations train your empathy, memory, and emotional intelligence. Texting is easy, talking is exercise for your mind. These are the 7 ways to protect and rebuild your brain. But I want you to remember something deeper. Your brain is not a machine, it's a garden. If you feed it noise, weeds will grow. If you feed it stillness and purpose, it will bloom again. Don't expect instant change, healing the mind takes time. But every small step counts. Every time you resist the urge to scroll, you win. Every time you choose silence over noise, you grow stronger. Every time you learn something new, you plant a seed for the future. You're not behind. You're just distracted. And now, you're aware, that's the first step to freedom. I've been there too, stuck in the loop of endless stimulation. But I learned that peace of mind is not found in more, it's found in less. Less noise. Less comparison. Less chaos. More clarity. More intention. More life. So today, I'm asking you to start protecting your brain like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Your entire future depends on how you use it. Every skill, every dream, every decision starts from the same place, a healthy, focused mind. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be aware. Take one step today. Then another tomorrow. And slowly, your thoughts will sharpen again. Your energy will return. Your creativity will wake up. And you'll finally feel alive again. If this message resonates with you, stay with me. Because this channel uploads every day, lessons, reflections, and tools to build a sharper, freer mind. We've only scratched the surface today. The next video will take you deeper, into the habits that rewire your focus for good. So don't stop here. Your brain deserves better. And your future self is counting on you to start now. Keep watching, the good stuff is just getting started. This is Finance Free TV, where your freedom begins in your mind.